Mix, microwave and serve in a single bowl. Cleanup is a snap thanks to dishwasher-safe glass that also nests neatly to save cabinet space. Includes 1 quart, 1.5 quart and 2.5 quart glass mixing bowls. Durable high-quality tempered glass is dishwasher, freezer, microwave and preheated oven safe. Nonporous glass won't absorb food odors, flavors or stains. 2-year limited warranty on glass. Made in the USA. Pyrex 3-piece glass mixing bowls. This versatile trio of glass mixing bowls include 3 sizes that do triple duty. Glass is the ideal material for cooking. In one bowl, you can mix your ingredients, pop into the microwave when you need to, and even serve, all in the same bowl. With 3 sizes to work with, you're ready for anything your recipe calls for. Pop them into the dishwasher for easy cleanup, and then store them nested to save space. The Pyrex glass mixing bowl set is designed to make stirring and mixing quick and easy. Pyrex 3-piece set includes 1 each of 1 quart, 1-1/2 quart, and 2-1/2 quart glass mixing bowls. Made from pure Pyrex glass, these bowls are microwave, dishwasher, preheated oven, and freezer safe. Non-porous glass won't warp, stain, or absorb food odors and flavors. Ideal for all your cooking needs, the bowl's round shapes maximize space for full-range stirring and mixing. Top reviews from the United States. Solid mixing bowls. My family uses lots of Pyrex, and their products have never let us down. Like our baking dishes, these bowls are solid, but lightweight, and a breeze to clean up. Having 3 sizes that nest together perfectly is awesome, and they are probably our most used mixing bowls in our cabinet. If not used in meal prep, they're nice enough to use for serving at the table. Can't go wrong with clear bowls.